Next up in our Partner Spotlight series, I want to introduce you to Rotech Machines. Imagine this, customer comes to us and says, we've got a hand packing operation. We want to make sure that the cartons we're about to put pharmaceuticals in, for instance, we haven't got any mixed product in there. All the cartons are the same. We've got some cartons that look very similar and they could get mixed in, and we're worried about that. But we're only a small operation. How can we ensure that we don't have a problem? In that scenario, what we'd do is we'd put a stack of these cartons into a hopper, we'd feed them out, run them past a barcode scanner, we'd check that they all match. Any ones that don't match, either stop the belt or go down a reject flap. That's not vision, that's a feeder system, and that's where we introduce them to Rotech Machines. Rotech have been building feeder systems for many years. Sorry, Richard. They do a really good job of it. It's all British made, it's all British designed, really nice bunch of people. And we work with them, we do the vision, they do the feeder. They also do printer systems, so if you wanted to code that carton at the same time. And what we'd do is we'd introduce you to them, they'd provide you a solution, we'd provide them some assistance on the vision side of things. Great partnership, match made in heaven.